The EduTouch FXv4 Touch Panel, the interactive solution designed to make learning exciting and engaging for schools and kindergartens. The EduTouch FXv4 brings together a powerful interactive panel, a full suite of curriculum-aligned software, technical support, and comprehensive training. Everything you need for a smarter classroom. This EduTouch solution creates an interactive and collaborative learning environment within the classroom, giving teachers the tools to create meaningful, interactive experiences that truly make a difference. The EduTouch FXv4 panels come in a range of sizes to suit any classroom and can be wall-mounted or fitted on a mobile trolley or stand, and are used extensively in Australian schools and are a preferred product on the Education Queensland government contract. Every EduTouch panel is designed with teachers in mind, packed with powerful features to make classroom technology simple and effective. Integrated Android operating system with touch control, brilliant 4K Ultra HD display for crystal clear visuals, 40-point touch for true collaborative learning, 8GB system memory, and 64GB user storage for all your resources, NFC for quick and secure access, built-in web browser for instant access to online content, interactive whiteboard, a suite of apps and tools, wireless screen sharing for seamless collaboration, toughened anti-glare tempered glass for durability and comfort, picture-in-picture mode for multitasking, dual-band Wi-Fi AX with hotspot and Bluetooth, a generous 7-year warranty for peace of mind, and full compatibility with all major operating systems. The EduTouch FXv4 isn't just a panel, it's your complete classroom solution. Access your favourite apps and teaching tools through the built-in Android operating system, the optional internal PC, or your own laptop or desktop. Up to 4 external devices with touch control can be connected using HDMI and USB. For seamless multitasking, you can use the picture-in-picture mode to view your laptop screen and the Android panel side by side, keeping your lesson running smoothly without interruption. eShare supports schools by creating a more collaborative learning environment in their classrooms and supports flexible teaching without using cables. Wireless screen sharing with touch control for Windows and Mac laptops and desktops, and wireless display for iPads, tablets and mobile phones is available, allowing up to 16 devices to be mirrored at the same time. Built-in interactive applications and tools are available, such as annotation tools, a countdown timer, stopwatch, screen cropping, a drawing palette, a weather app, and a calendar. Everything you need right at your fingertips. The EduTouch Interactive Panel gives you the ability to work interactively and seamlessly with most document formats on the panel, the cloud, or a USB. The Interactive Whiteboard makes lessons fun and engaging. Dual pen capability means 2 students can work together at the same time. Import documents, customize backgrounds, insert a browser, and a selection of tools that facilitate enjoyable and easy collaboration, and features to stimulate creativity and inspiration. Ready to bring interactive learning into your classroom? For more information on the EduTouch interactive panels, visit the website ig3education.com.au, email info@ig3education.com.au, or call 1800 334 633.